Welcome to this interaction. I would request you to tell a little bit about yourself to people who are watching this video.
Uh, Thank you, Vishwadeep, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Amol Dikshit, and I am taking the Black Belt course from Benchmark. So, uh, with regard to my background, I am into the quality field. I take care of quality assurance and projects process excellence basically for one of the outsourcing majors. With respect to my academic background, I have completed my graduation in commerce and then did my CA inter, and then shifted to quality basically because of my interest into it.
Okay, so after being into finance and accounts for many years, you moved into this field of Six Sigma.
That's
Can you share what was your interest and how you decided to move into this field?
Certainly, it was more of awareness, one thing. So, when I started my career, I was into audits, I was into statutory and tax audits kind of. Then I moved into core finance and accounting, being there for almost 6 years. I joined this outsourcing major where I came to know about Six Sigma and Lean and the quality tools used in the organizations. And I think that was the trigger where I felt that I should go into Six Sigma. I should venture further into this field, take it up as a profession as well. So I thought, let me shift from finance into quality. Again, the client I deal with is, again, it's related to finance. So it is something like Six Sigma and quality tools or Lean used to benefit this client into the finance and accounting field as well. So being there into my core field, again, I think now I have shifted to Six Sigma to make it as a core field. I certainly feel that that is beneficial. Secondly, on the organization part of view, I think every business would definitely benefit from this, and that is where I was looking for some knowledge addition to my whatever knowledge I had earlier, and that is the reason I shifted here.
Okay, so how has your Six Sigma journey been till now? Would you like to share something about your experience till now?
Yes, it was an interesting one. It is an interesting one. I am looking forward to more interesting journey forward as well. But having said this, for the past 5 years, I think when I started, Six Sigma was just a word for me, and I knew that there's vast into it. So the first thing I did was within our organization, we had a couple of trainings, and then I came to know about Benchmark where I did my green belt. That was where I actually ventured into Six Sigma, and I got an insight into the depths of Six Sigma. So that probably triggered my instincts further to go into the depths of it. As far as the journey of Six Sigma is concerned, I think it has immensely helped to say run projects, to identify improvements within the process, within the organization, and of course, given a scope, it would still be improved further, and I think it will only benefit the business.
So about the projects that you have been doing, have they been more towards the voice of customer or more towards voice of business generally?
It's a mix of primarily voice of customer, and in a few cases it was the voice of process or the voice of business. But yes, I think voice of customer was the key driver in say identifying or selecting the projects.
Okay, so now that you have done most of the black belt, how has your experience been?
Excellent, I would say fantastic. I mean, I have just added a lot to my knowledge, and I think Six Sigma is excellent. Having known this for these 6 days or 5 days, which I have been here for the black belt training, I think Six Sigma is a way of thinking. Everybody should go into it, and my experience here personally, I would recommend people to at least adopt the way of thinking which Six Sigma has, and for that certainly it has to be knowledge which is to be developed. And when it comes to knowledge, it has to be, say, a very professional institute or an organization which would give you training and knowledge. And my personal suggestion or my personal recommendation is that Benchmark I found excellent during my green belt as well as now during the black belt.
Okay, great. So, in terms of people who are into finance and accounting background, and also people who are into the outsourcing companies, do you have any message for them?
Yeah, certainly. I mean, Six Sigma Lean was more looked at as a tool or a methodology which was applicable to the manufacturing units. And I think we have to shift that paradigm from only the manufacturing units to the service. Of course, service industry, most of the places it is still very prominent, but the outsourcing industry is quite new, and Six Sigma is now been extended to the outsourcing industry as well.
It has been good having you here, and thank you for sharing your background experience and messages with audience.
Thank you, Ishwadeep.